What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We're in a 2022 Volkswagen Passat and it's time to replace the cabin air filter in this thing. So we're going to do a quick and easy DIY for you guys. Alrighty, so to access the cabin filter you do not need to open up the glove box. The cabin filter is actually located right underneath over here. And as you guys can see, we have two bolts right there that we're gonna need to remove. And to do that, you're gonna need a T25 like this to unscrew those two bolts. So once you remove the bolts, basically you're gonna have to pull this part down right here. So just like that, pull it down. And then as you guys can see, you have this thing right here holding it intact, so you're gonna have to take that off. So here's your little cover right here that's holding the filter in there. So for you to remove this filter, basically what you have to do is just pull it towards the right as if you're exiting the passenger side like that, and it will come down, and then you guys can pull down the filter. Look at that. Wow, let's take a look at this right here. That right there, my friends, is an old filter, and that's exactly what you're breathing when you're running your AC and heater. Wow. So let's do a little comparison of the old and how dirty it is. Look at all that versus new. Now you guys with the side-by-side can see the difference and how bad this is. Alright, so here's the new filter. If you look in the bottom, you're gonna see airflow with that arrow. So that arrow has to be going out. So basically going that way out. So we're gonna put this in like this. And then we're gonna basically follow the instructions of everything that we took apart and reversing it to put everything back together. So let's just fit it in here like that. And up it goes. And then we put the cover back on. So the cover is back on. Now we connect this back together like that. Alright, the bolts are screwed back in, everything's tight. Time to vacuum up the car. Alright guys, so we're done with this quick easy DIY. Hopefully this video was helpful for some of you guys that are trying to do this project yourself, and hopefully I saved you a few bucks. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget all of the links are in the description for you to buy these stuff on Amazon. I'll catch all of you guys on the next video. Peace.